What's that one? A UFO. It's moving. Oh, isn't that? Oh, that's going down. I'm lonely. Pick it up, pick it up. Oh, wow. Emma just bought a new house in Kansas. Emo, say goodbye. It's not this dark. This is my phone making it all dark. Cheetos. But it's good when you see the lightning. I can see it's just the lightning, nothing else. Oh, seen that? I tell you, this is some really good ones. There's absolutely no wind. So this cloud is just staying right above us. You see the heat signature right there? That's where our storm is. That's why we got floods popping up everywhere. Let's record one more lightning strike. Oh, better. So that, thank you God. Wait for it. Thunder's coming. Oh, what was that? That's cool. Okay, one more lightning strike and I record after it turns dark. Probably next time. And these heat signatures everywhere. Man, look at that. We're at 1.0x. Yes, we are. It's the major storm right there. It's interfering with my camera right now. One more strike, and I'm in. I'll record later on. Okay, wait for the thunder. Okay, one more thunder, and I'm in. And got blue skies over there. We can't see it, but I can. I got night vision. That's king. Oh, and heat signature.